Yeah, this is my little fun project sleeper that I built. It's got all these Chinese turbos on it.
I like China.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I kind of like it. I really like the exhaust cutout valve that I have here. Sometimes I can't even tell if it's running or not.
Are you running? Are you not running?
Yeah, man, it's crazy, but I'm still having some troubles when I'm driving it. It doesn't want to build boost. Like, it'll only go to like 4 pounds. I don't know what's going on.
No action. Sounds good. Doesn't work.
I mean, yeah, I guess you're right. It sounds good, but it doesn't really work the way that I planned it. I mean, my problem is I don't really know how I should feel about the whole thing.
Stupid.
I mean, I guess you could say that, but I guess I don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what to tell people. We did this whole build and it was exciting. I was excited about it, and now it's not what I planned it to be, and I don't know what to tell my subscribers that I'm going to do with the truck. What should I do with the truck? What do I tell people?
I will bring it back. Bigger and better and stronger than ever before.
Alright guys, so I did a quick little thing to test. I took one of the turbos off because it was only making like 4 pounds. It wouldn't make any more boost. I took one of the turbos off, didn't change anything. We'll see what she does. On the gauge there.